Well, a good Thursday morning. It's now 4:46 and we're off to a very quiet start across the area. Clear skies for many of us with temperatures starting off in the 70s. In New Orleans, 76 degrees, and it actually feels like the upper 70s to kick off our Thursday morning. Now, of course, the dew points, the humidity will continue to go up through the afternoon, even though temperatures are expected to climb into the upper 80s today. Here's a look at the radar scan here, just scanning the skies, and I am tracking a few showers and thunderstorms really over the Gulf of Mexico, but many of us, we are starting off rather dry. As we zoom into the mouth of the river here, you can see west of Buras tracking a few downpours here, and also Venice. We'll begin to see things really start to fire up as we go through the afternoon with a rain coverage between 50 to 60%. So once again, numerous downpours are possible. There's a look at your current temperature. 72 in Hammond, good morning. 74 in Covington, upper 70s in Slidell as we head to the South Shore, nearing 80 in Buras, and we're in the lower 70s in Laplace, Raceland, and Houma this morning. Now today, once again, there is a flooding risk or flood risk across the area. Many of us under that marginal risk, meaning the flooding or the street flooding will be pretty isolated, but then it's elevated just a bit here where the areas highlighted in yellow under a slight risk. So we'll be watching the flooding risk through the afternoon very closely. Just make sure you're weather aware today. As we go through the morning, temperatures remaining pretty steady. In upper 70s, we should be in the lower 80s, closer to 11, and also we'll be in the upper 80s as we head through the afternoon hours, but notice the rain chances beginning to bump up. Here's a look at your local expert forecast here across the area. Temperatures are expected to climb into the mid 80s in Slidell, Hammond, and lower 80s in Thibodaux, as well as Houma and Laplace. Now, as we head through today, also through the rest of the work week into the weekend, here's a look at the available moisture product, and you can see the oranges indicated by the tropical air that will be sitting over us. So we'll have that tropical air mass really through the area through the rest of the work week. So a lot of these showers and also thunderstorms will have the opportunity to tap into that moisture, and heavy downpours are possible in a few locations, which may lead to minor street flooding. So keep that in mind through the rest of the week and also the weekend. As I take you through the rest of the morning, lots of clouds around. We'll begin to see showers and thunderstorms really begin to fire up as we get closer to the afternoon. And notice how scattered they are. We'll see light showers in a few areas, but again, if you get that downpour over your area, it may lead to some issues, and that will continue through the rest of the afternoon leading into the early evening hours before things begin to taper off, and we are looking at mainly dry conditions through the overnight hours. Now, as we look at the rainfall potential here, many spots picking up a little under an inch, but of course you get that downpour, you could pick up 2 to 3, even 4 inches of rainfall very easily. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast, what to expect today and through the rest of the work week. Also, I know plenty of events are happening this weekend. Upper 80s today and also tomorrow. Today we're looking at a 60 to 70% coverage for showers and storms, a 50% coverage for showers and storms tomorrow. Not a complete washout for the weekend, but make sure you have that rain gear ready.